Welcome to Kaveri's Craft Studio. Today, let us learn how to make bracelets using round paper beads. I'm going to show you two variants of bracelets. Let us create the first variant. Let us quickly look at the materials required for this project. 10 to 15 round shaped paper beads. If you're wondering where to buy the round paper beads, probably you would not have seen my previous video. Please look at the link for the previous video in the description. 10 to 15 glass beads. 10 to 15 gold color beads. It should be smaller than the glass beads in size. A spool of gear wire. You just need a small length of it. You can also use elastic thread instead of gear wire. 2 jump rings, 2 crimp beads, 1 bracelet hook. Now let's begin. Take a gear wire, insert a gold bead, following with a crimp bead. Now make a loop as I am showing here. And press the crimp bead using a plier. This locks the bracelet at one end. Now go on adding a paper bead, a gold bead and a glass bead alternatively from the other end. I am using pink color glass beads here to match with the paper beads which I have. You can try with any other colors of your choice. You can use your creativity to mix match various types of beads and colors. You can use plastic beads, unicolor or multicolor beads, wooden beads and even antique style beads. Once you're satisfied with the length and pattern, you can lock the other end using a crimp bead. Now finish the bracelet by linking jump rings and a hook. Let us create the second variant. To create this, you need a gold color loop chain, 10 to 15 round paper beads, 10 to 15 jump rings, 10 to 15 charms, 1 hook, 10 to 15 head pins, 10 to 15 gold beads. Add a jump ring at one end of the loop chain. Take a head pin, insert a gold bead and a paper bead. Cut the head pin after leaving sufficient length to make a loop. Create 10 to 15 such paper bead hangings. Insert the paper bead hangings to the loop chain with uniform intervals. Complete the bracelet by inserting the charms using jump rings in between the paper bead hangings. As a final step, attach jump ring and a hook. Here you go. Now you have two beautiful bracelets created by your own hands. Please click on the like button if you enjoyed learning to make paper bead bracelets. Please share and subscribe to my channel to get regular updates.